first thing you need to do is be safe. Disconnect the appliance or turn off the breaker to avoid electric shock. Hello, today we're going to be working on an LG dishwasher. The problem that we have with this dishwasher is that it's leaking water. In fact, the water valve broke and it was leaking water all over the place. But this might not be your case. Might be just leaking water inside. As you can see in the picture, the water valve is broken half. So your case could be that the dishwasher is just leaking water inside your dishwasher and it's not stopping. Now, I'm gonna try to do this repair in place. A lot of videos on YouTube show how to remove the dishwasher and do all these things, but in a couple jobs that I have done, when I remove the dishwasher, I end up having more issues if I have a copper line, copper water line, or with the water valve. In removing the dishwasher creates another issue besides the one I already have. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove our water valve with an adjustable wrencher and 5/8. This is a 5/8 water line, so you just look for the right tool to remove this water line. And as I was saying, I would try to do it in place to avoid creating another issue. However, you guys can go ahead and remove it, watch another video on YouTube. But this, I believe this is more simple for me, and if I can do it in place, it will be better. Just remove the 4 screws that holds the water valve in place. And LG have a different models, and a very similar model you will not be able to remove this water valve the way I'm doing it. As you see, it got loose, and now it's in the floor out of his hoop. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and unplug the harness, the 2 terminals harness, and remove it from your water valve, your water line from your water valve. Now, as you see, I got a pair of needle nose pliers, and this is a pressure hose clamp that you just have to press it and release it. And like I was saying, I'm using my needle nose pliers. You just press and wiggle it into it out of the water valve to be able to remove the water hose. One of the things about doing it this way, that you don't have much room to play with, but in this case I can see that I'm able to do it, so I'm taking the challenge. As you see, came right off. That's your hose clamp. As I was saying, you just press it and release it, and it will be able to come out. There you have it. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing with your water valve. Go ahead and connect your water hose and press the clamp and secure your water line. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install the electrical harness. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put it in place where it goes. Next, we're gonna go ahead and install all 4 screws that hold the water valve in place. There are 4 Phillips screws. They hold the water valve in place, and just make sure you put all 4 screws to be able to secure the water valve in place. Now we're going to go ahead and install the water line, your supply water line, to the water valve. And just make sure you adjust the water line to avoid any leaks. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.